prove that if a continuous time signal is a power signal, then it cannot be an energy signal and vice versa. Case 1. Now we'll consider first x of t as a power signal. Let x of t is a power signal. We know that power of the signal is calculated using the formula P of t is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 over t minus t by 2 to t by 2 x of t square dt. Okay, we'll assume that let the power of signal x of t is k, which is constant. Now let's find the energy of the same signal x of t. The energy of the signal is defined as E is equal to limit t tends to infinity integration minus t by 2 to t by 2 x of t square dt. I will represent this equation as limit t tends to infinity t into 1 by t, that is I will divide and multiply by t, then I'll write the same term, that is integration minus t by 2 to t by 2 x of t square into dt. So here I have multiplied and divide by t, so it is same as the previous equation, that is this one. So therefore now I can write E is equal to, we know that 1 over limit t tends to infinity 1 over t integration of minus t by 2 to t by 2 x of t square dt is nothing but k. So here the value of 1 over t integration, this is nothing but p of t. Therefore I can write limit t tends to infinity, here we have t into 1 over t, this value is nothing but k. So which is equal to, that is t tends to infinity, that is nothing but infinity into k, which is equal to infinity. So here we observe that the energy of the signal E is equal to infinity. Therefore this is not an energy signal. So here E is equal to infinity. The signal is said to be energy signal if its value is less than infinity. Therefore x of t is not energy signal. Therefore we can conclude that if the signal x of t is a power signal, then it cannot be an energy signal. Case 2. Now consider x of t is an energy signal. We know that the energy of the signal is calculated using the formula E is equal to limit t tends to infinity x of t square dt. We'll assume that the energy of the signal x of t is some constant, say A. Now let's calculate the power of this signal x of t. The power of the signal x of t is given by power is equal to, we know that limit t tends to infinity 1 over t minus t by 2 to t by 2 x of t square dt, or we can write it as p is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 over t. We know that integration, this is nothing but the energy of the signal, this part is nothing but the energy of the signal, which value is equal to A. Therefore into A, which is equal to, so when t is tends to infinity, then we can write 1 upon infinity into A. 1 upon infinity is nothing but 0 into A. Therefore we can say P is equal to 0. That is, power of the signal x of t is 0. Now we can conclude that if the signal is energy signal, then it cannot be a power signal. Therefore x of t is not a power signal. Thank you for watching.